but it's a pain in the ass. What, is it never gonna fucking melt? Don't you want to leave it in the water for a while? Dude, I don't know, let me try. Ah, come on, come on, come on. That's some nice chocolate. Oh no, you can't be fooled by this. It's something incredible, indescribable, ambrosia. No, I'm not going. So dirty, but satisfied. Jesus, I'm so excited, Arthur, for this episode. I'm afraid of one thing, that this is going to be way too sweet for us. The viral hit of the past weeks. People pour a whole tube of Pringles with chocolate, and supposedly it's an amazing chocolate block. Supposedly it's delicious, crunchy inside. Supposedly it beats regular chocolate. It looks cool. You have a few videos here of me talking about it. Each one gets millions of views. They get millions of views in 1, 2, 3 days, and we decided to make the original version. The chocolate is melting, but we'll also do it our own way, which means we'll layer the chips. They take a chip, spread it, take a chip, spread it. It's a bit more work, but we think the result will be amazing, and we have 4 things we'll use to layer the chips. Pistachio cream, we're doing a Dubai style one, now something Polish. Strawberry jam, I think this will blow everyone's mind. And I have Philadelphia cream cheese. I think it's going to be great. And this is another viral hit, the new Nutella of the internet. Lotus Biscoff, yes, it's everywhere. They're making some kind of cookies. Do you want to try? And if not, come on. Oh, wow. Listen to that crunch. Oh, damn. It's not as heavy, right? Like Nutella. But it's a good product. This will be interesting. We'll make the original if we have enough chocolate. All right, Archer, I don't know how to do this. Wait, I'm not sure this will work out for us. How will you do it? Will you? It's not going to be easy. Microwave it briefly. Wait, how about a water bath? I'll check. Don't you want it in the water for a bit? Damn. Don't you want it in the water for a bit? I don't know. Let me try. You always give up right away. Damn. And I broke another chip. Water bath. I just broke another chip. Look. You'll break it like that. Look, Artur, it's fine, but it's about to break. It's coming apart. I'm not saying it'll be worse. Just don't give up after one try. We're not giving up, just figuring it out. But how do we put it back in? We'll slide it in on this paper just like we took it out. Look, Kuba, it's coming off slowly. What you did is perfect. Everything flows here, right? Awesome. Because up to now, this had been going well for me. Now it's better, right? No, you're complaining even more. Nothing sticks now and you're always complaining. Are you doing it your way? Well, you know, mine works because I do it like this, I know. I can already see one crazy thing. We have a strong opinion about Pringles, that they have some kind of flavor. If you put something on them, they lose their flavor. Oh, it really takes over. Yeah, awesome bread. Okay, put that under this, bravo. And that's a life hack.
Słuchaj, ale też nauczyliśmy, bo nikt nie pokazał, jak ci ludzie to robią w ogóle, tak a propos.
To zamykamy? Nie.
Idealnie.
Było trochę przy tym emocji.
Talented guy, that was something. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Damn, but how many are left, huh? But you know, there are broken ones here too, right? But you ate those broken ones. Not that I begrudge you, but not that you begrudge me, but you won't miss a chance to comment. Throws, pepper. This one's easier, right? Let me see the technique. Oh, you know this modification, right? Well, there's a way for everything now, you know? I even have a way for you. Don't say anything, just wait, you know? Damn, this is more work than the other one. Can I go clean the toilet? Hey, this job is boring. That's a good life hack, but I'm not sure this technique is better. Look. Boom, you put it on. Better technique, right? Remember when I said that? It's interesting how it speeds up at the end. So, we have the ending technique, right? Kuba, see how smoothly it's going? The whole jar. Give me the Philadelphia one. I put it there. Did you put it in water? Uh-huh. Oh man, that was probably a bad move. Maybe. Nobody knows. It'll melt. So many are broken. Where did they go? I'm not touching them. Should I redo them all? Yeah, I'm gonna get so fat, but it'll be worth it, Archer. I won't miss out. With chocolate, it's perfect. It tastes like cream cheese. Pringles are the base, the structure, the support. All right, let's go. Hey, this spreads really well. Really well. Damn, what? I got excited too fast, you know? But it's actually fun to do. It was fun to spread. They stick together the best. Oh, damn. Ah. Oh, that one will be syrup already. Yeah, with the topping, I forgot. But give it here. Oh, damn. People were supposed to put their hand in ice cold water, and those who cursed kept their hand in the water longer, while those who didn't curse took it out faster. That's right, look, and we push it in. Now show it. Damn. Put it in the bowl. Johnny, really that much? Green Pringles. How do you say it? Pringles? Am I saying it wrong? And how do you say it? Pringles. And what are these Pringles? So which one are you gonna say? Nope. Did you see you can dress as a duck? We'll get people drunk. But it will be good. We'll do it right after all. Very good, RC. He's not a country fool. No, it's beautiful. It's getting there. Factory made. But it's nice. Perfect, RC. And one. What do you mean? It looked like less. One just to blend in. Salty or sweet? That's really good. Okay, we have this. Now on to the next mess. Pouring chocolate, right? Ooh, wait, I think it's still not enough. Not enough. It's not like water, especially when there's little of it. Should I add more chocolate? No, you can't just toss it in. Cameraman, will anything happen to it? Do you know why Mirka comes in packaging like that? So you can melt it quickly and pour it over. Did you notice this is the only one in a smart plastic package while the others have foil wrappers? Look how beautiful it is. Damn, it's probably better than that one. Yeah, it's great for melting. No, it won't run off. Well, this one is more runny. I'll tell you, if this is enough for one container, it'll be a miracle. You skimped on the chocolate, damn it, and that's exactly it. But did I skimp? I bought more. You bought cheap chocolate drops and now they're here. They're just okay, as you agreed. So why blame me? Should I admit I skimped? Damn, this is good. No, the chocolate alone will probably cost almost 200. You think that's enough? We'll add a bit of cream. Do we have any? No, we'll just add some milk. Let's add just a drop since we don't have it. Oh, damn. Yeah, come on, hurry up. Take it away. The so-called prep is done. 200 bucks soaked in the bowl. It's impossible that it didn't melt. So what? Will it never melt now? But look, Archer, it's already fucking crumbling. The water keeps evaporating too. Maybe we need to add some water, huh? What do you mean water and chocolate? Seriously, come on. Yeah, laugh it up, you little punk. Look, see? How is this supposed to pour down? At least I melted it and you made it hard. Yeah. Well, it's slowly starting to work. That's why I'm telling you, you need 30% cream, not water, damn it. Wait, here you go. Here's 20% cream, 93% sugar, emulsifiers, gas. Well, maybe the emulsifiers will help. Outstanding. Can you add this? Wait a moment, Shuenyu, let's finish this. But you finished first. Give me the butter, just not cold, damn it. Go heat yourself up in the microwave, melt the butter and pour it in. I won't live forever, you know. Maybe that's for the best. For future generations, you won't have anything of your own, damn it. I saw this 30 years ago. Oh, damn, I poured that milk in cold. Damn, impossible. Exactly, sir. Pour it all over so it gets shocked. Maybe the priest is asking. The prince will pour it after the scale. Watch, because I'll even pour this butter wrong. Look. Oh, that's a small piece. Exactly, sir. No one's eaten chocolate like this before. Is it there? Ready? Go ahead. Awesome. I'd add more butter. It's already pretty old. All right, melt it. Come on, give it here. Just put it in, you'll arrange it. Here. Oh, damn, I'll have done my part. It's a pain in the ass. Damn, you really wore me out. I saved it, man. Look, what a beautiful dessert. First you screwed it up, then you saved it. I'm not saying you didn't, you know. Don't use those balls for topping. They're useless. What, are you an ideologue now? Go on, pour it. Beautiful. That chocolate looks great. We took it out beautifully, Archer. I have a suggestion. Let's do half each. If there's not enough, at least we'll have smaller portions. Give 3 ladlefuls each. Let's keep this one whole as the showpiece and put it in the freezer. Yeah, cover it with ice cubes. Let's give it half an hour. Okay, it's been 40 minutes in the freezer. I hope this is it. Nice. How was it? Wait, I'll put it together. There's one block, let's add it before testing the other. What? I didn't flatten it, but it turned sour.
Jakby było ciasto,
But it's good. But it doesn't crunch like it could. No, it doesn't crunch at all. Look, here we have this original layer. Chocolate without filling. But I like it, man. But the chocolate overpowers the saltiness. It turned out look like cheesecake. The texture is like cheesecake. Well, let's go in potato cheesecake. We made a cheesecake, damn it. It actually tasted like cheesecake. Delicious. Let's try the second one. This is interesting since we don't know what's inside. Oh, this one was hot. Are you talking about this one? Yeah, but the taste will be the same. Yeah. Oh, wow, that's insanely sweet. Damn, it burns your teeth. Oh no, you can't just eat it. It's soaked and too strong. There's a better version. Just pour it to the bottom. That one is simpler. You can't eat this. It's way too sweet. No, this isn't good. Philadelphia, we've got this with us. People get way too excited about it, but it's just sugar on top of sugar. But this bar is cool, look. But look how nicely it turned out with the pistachios, right? So far, it's the best looking one. Cool. It's sweet as hell. Yeah, sure, that one's sweet. Look, I'm gonna throw up. I can't handle it. I'm gonna puke from this. That's too much, guys, but this is just fucking over the top. Although it's still much better than the other one. But we had dark chocolate and they're making it with milk chocolate. No, you just can't eat this. Listen, it's just a waste of money. I'll take the one with less chocolate. Oh God. But the salt, damn, Clamiat itself doesn't inspire anything. This is disgusting, fuck Archer. But you can get suckered in by internet hype. This is crap. This is a waste of money. And we've still got the strawberry one left. All right, thank you. Good night. Yes, I love sweets. I swear I'm gonna puke. You can't even mold it. So much food waste. I'm not eating anything else from here. Fucks it. I'll take the cheesecake. Cheesecake?
Oh, fuck. Listen.
Some parts, like when we filled it halfway and then added more gently, you know?
Pistachio, it's pure indulgence.
Pistachio? Uh-huh.
Jesus, it's like a cake.
Buddy, I'm already about to collapse over here.
Sweetness modern.
For me, it's just a sandstorm. I'm in the desert in Egypt, but far from the pyramids. And the sand there is so loose, salty.
Because damn.
Camel's pee there. It's something incredible, indescribable. Ambrosia combined, I don't know, with whatever. It's such a fusion of flavors that I'm going crazy. You have to try it.
Delicious. That's what we ate.
It reminds me of Turkey. When you're at an all-inclusive hotel and they have those cakes, but they're really sweet.
We got dizzy after we tried those things.
Now, but this is awesome. I mean, taste-wise. Tasty, it's tasty.
One by one, in order.
Don't you feel it? Half a tray?
So what, can I?
Okay.
Wait, because there are two opinions. Krzykuś is finishing half of the block. Krzyku, you don't say anything. Only a quarter. Krzyku, is today your first day? How long have you been dieting?
I'm not on a diet. I'm not on a diet.
You're fasting, but how's this going down for you, Krzychu?
That version was better.
This version is better and holds up better. This one has nothing going for it.
Because it's kind of short. Well, if I put everything in my mouth, maybe.
But all right, Arsik, let's roll the next ones. Ooh!
You're taking even less. Oh, thanks for watching. This is a sponge cake. But this is that new cake from a mix. Great.
He might as well take any candy bar melted and put the melted thing in his mouth and eat it that way, right? If something doesn't hold together and this one held together the most, then it shouldn't even exist, right? Because I can't even put it in my mouth.
You know that Heart Attack restaurant in Las Vegas? This could be on their menu. If you want to finish off a guy weighing 170 kilos, give him this and he'll need an ambulance.
Martek, you worked so hard.
You made so much of it. It blew me away. I almost puked the first time. Beautiful.
Jesus Christ, man.
What is this?
This is Zomatine or something, right?
But I like the taste the most.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, let's assume
That it looks nice, right? It's not messed up, but there's this dessert at the restaurant. You take this dessert and you'll have it again someday in your life.
Of course, 100%. This is my win of the episode. Delicious, absolutely delicious. And cheesecake in a new form.
But you're right, when you look at it, how many calories are in this? Yeah, it's crazy. This makes someone feel self-disgusted.
Right? But look, I'm already leaving. Look,
I'm just drinking. Sometimes a person gets disgusted with themselves. Poo!
Poo, I, ooh.
Look, I'm walking. La la.
too sweet, but so delicious. Sweet,
Delicious.
desecrated, betrayed, thrown out, but happy. Dirty, but satisfied.
I'm sorry. A man gets, I'm sorry.
I walk.
I walk. But with this hunger strike, the bottle is strange. Why the calm you? I'm devastated. I have everything that is the opposite of what Krzysztof has. I feel like we threw money in the trash. I feel like if we're eating this, we're sick. I feel like the internet and people got suckered by something with no substance. But I'd rather have Lacey one evening and the next evening treat myself to a Milka chocolate. For me, it's a scam. All right, so what are you taking home?
Only
And not this? Well, that too.
give it to me. I'll eat it. No.
I heard that Krzysztof will eat it at home and I have to fucking leave you guys. I need to lie down.
My kids will eat it at my place. Take care. Bye.
Don't feed this to the kids.